Ran up a check on them niggas, I got them bitter off that. They gave me nothing, but they still be feeling like I should be giving them that. When I come back off the road, I take a victory lap. Just can't do no dumb shit with none of these fuck niggas and get that victory back. Turn up, trap house with a space heater, I was just sitting in that. Big Mac with 50 shots, you playin', I'm giving you that. I ain't gotta wait till we outside, I got in the building with that. Ride me and I wanna see blood, it ain't no giving it back. Niggas watch me run around broke, it ain't no feeling like that. Pass them up off a 3-minute rap, JB, how they feel about that? Girl, I wanna fuck you in this race, tell me how you feel about that. After this, I'm ignoring your text, bitch, you got a nigga for that. My stomach was touching my back, I wasn't my feelings about that. Remember my freedom got snatched, I wasn't my feelings about that. But I ain't get hit with no net, they ain't they feelings about that. These niggas gotta relapse, they ain't they feelings about that. I got a Cali Connect, in case I don't make it in rap. I got a Texas Connect, they ain't gon' run out of that. I got a Miami Connect, Cali Connect, in case I don't make it in rap. I got a Texas Connect, they ain't gon' run out of that. I got a Miami Connect, my ex gonna throw you a bag. I got an Atlanta Connect, they gon' pull up with them straps. Shout out to my nigga Yachty, he put the bread on the boat. That bitch AC got a nigga, I can take care of you both. My people say that I quote, boy you will never get on. Now they faces so long, my free CD damn near went gold. Tell the promoters just come with a dub and I'ma come pack out the place. Don't talk about the business, call up Affluent, my nigga they gon' get you straight. And you gotta send half while we on the phone, no we can't lock in the date. You tryna take up for that nigga, it's beef, you gon' get dropped in this place. I gotta plug it with J.